Hey guys, this is Amanda from Self-Spend Travel. My husband Brad is recording. He's behind the camera, so hello, honey bunny.
Hi.
Today we are doing an unboxing of a Goodwill blue box. So if you haven't heard of these before, you can find them at goodwillbluebox.com. They have all different assortments of boxes. You can get men's apparel, women's apparel, mixed apparel, which is what we have here today. There's shoes, jeans, all different kinds of boxes. However, the catch is that they're only available on Fridays, or they go up on Fridays at 6 p.m. Eastern, and they sell out super fast. So this is not even the box that I originally wanted to purchase, but by the time I got through the checkout process, the ones that I wanted were no longer available. And I was on there at 6 p.m. on the dot. So just to give you an idea of how hard they are to get sometimes. So this one is 10 to 12 items, and it's mixed apparel. So I have no idea what to expect. It's the very first one that we've ever got from Goodwill Blue Box. And it was $29.99 shipped to us. So it's this box is 10 to 12 items, and it was $24.99 plus $5 in shipping, I believe is how it broke down. So that means that everything in this box will cost us per piece somewhere between $2.50 and $3 per item, depending on how many there are in the box. So let's get to it. Here we go. And if you like these videos and videos like this, then please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We are a fairly new channel, but we're having tons of fun doing this for you guys. So, and it also gives us a great way to be able to track stuff. And I see a Tommy Bahama tag sticking out right here at the top. So here we go. So here's the invoice, mixed apparel. This says 12 pieces on it, so hopefully there are 12 pieces in here. All right. So there we go. So there it is, all opened up. And right out of the gate, we've got Tommy Bahama, and it's new with tags. Oh, and it's a dress. So there we go. So it's a nice little, just kind of a sundress. It's a size medium. Brand new with tags. Like I said, it's still got $99.50 is the price tag on there. So that's a really cute little dress. And so Tommy Bahama, this certainly will not sell for $99.50. Tommy Bahama does not have the resale value that it used to. And generally women's Tommy Bahama doesn't go for quite as much as men's. But either way, we'll make some money off of that. So that'll be awesome. All right. So this is Banana Republic. It's just kind of a lightweight yellow and white striped sweater. I believe it's a men's. Yep. Looks like a men's to me. Size extra large. Looks like it has all of the buttons. Are all there. And at first glance, I don't see any picks or pulls or stains or marks. So that's fantastic. All right, I think this is another dress. This is Calvin Klein, and this is a size 16. We just sold a Calvin Klein dress almost identical to this yesterday, but it was a different color. So this is, like I said, size 16. I don't see any picks or pulls or anything on it. And it's got a zip back. I'm sorry. I'll show you the back. I was trying to check everything there. So there's that. So that's in good shape, it looks like. So far, this is good. I hope I didn't just jinx it just then. All right. This is Ralph Lauren. And it's a burgundy velvet top. It's got a little balloon short sleeve there on the sides. This is size extra large. So this is in good shape too. I don't see any picks or pulls or anything there. All right, and then next we've got a pair of pants, and these are IN Studio. I am not familiar with that label, but there it is.
I'm trying to pick it up.
Can you see it?
No.
No.
There we go.
All right. And I'm assuming by the waistband, these are women's. That's what it looks like to me. And they're size 8. So, yep, these are women's. Just black trousers. They appear to be in good shape. So that's good. mind keeping track of the count. Have you kept track of the count?
I think that's 4.
Okay. All right, then this is Ellen Tracy. And I haven't had a lot of Ellen Tracy stuff. It's not something that I generally pick up when I'm thrifting. But I've gotten it before in like thread up boxes and things like that. And I honestly can't say that I have sold any Ellen Tracy. I think whatever I've had is still in my closet or in my store. But that's okay. It'll stay there till it sells. So this is an Ellen Tracy top. It's got 3/4 length sleeves. It's a nice stretchy polyester, doesn't wrinkle material. It's great for traveling and that type of thing. And this is a size medium. And no picks or pulls or stains or anything that I can see there. So that's good. And then next, another Banana Republic. So, and this is a size extra large. This is women's. And it's a knit sweater, long sleeve type deal that's kind of set up with a jacket. It's got the notch collar lapel there. No picks or pulls or stains that I see there, so that's good. This is actually good, perfect for this time of year because it's not too heavy, but it's still enough to keep you warm when it's still cool outside. All right, so these are Torrid women's pants or slacks here. Looks like they're high waist from the way the waistband looks there. And size 12, I don't know if I said that already. But these look like these are in good shape too. And Torrid does well with plus size clothing. I've never had anything from Torrid that was not a plus size. So, and these got pockets. Pockets are always good. Always check your pockets too, whether you're getting a box from Thread Up or Goodwill or from your thrifting, because sometimes there is money to be found, and that's always fun. So, all right, these are brand new with tags. This is another Banana Republic. These are size 6. And they're little cropped. Oh, look, that's cute. With little buttons there. I forget what this is called, but it's like a sailor pant. And these, I can't tell if they're black or navy blue. They almost look like a really dark navy blue.
They look navy blue to me.
All right, good deal. So navy blue is what we're going with. They're called a wide leg crop. It's right there on the tag. So there you go. That's the back. So those are cute. New with tags. I'm liking all this new with tag stuff. This is good. Makes life much easier. All right. So this is a Soho, New York and Company jeans is the brand, and it's a size extra large. So that's a cute little top there with the sparkles. And it's kind of got a peasant-y look to it. I guess you would call that, with the tie there in the front. But there's the front and the back. So that's cute. I'm not really familiar with that brand a whole lot, so I don't know as far as resale value goes. I don't believe I've ever had anything. I don't think I've ever sold that brand before. So that'll be a new one for me. This is another Torrid. So this is a plus size Torrid. So if you're not familiar with Torrid, that's what the tag looks like. And when it's a larger size and it just says a 2, they have a special sizing for plus size stuff. And so generally a 2 is like a 2X and plus size women's. But so these are just women's pants here with a little stretchy drawstring waist. There's the back. And they have nice pockets too. Nice pockets are always good. And I think these will probably be good for travel too. I don't think they would wrinkle so bad. They're a polyester spandex blend. So these will probably be really good for travel as well. So that's good. And like I said, the plus size Torrid stuff, I've usually sold it fairly quickly when I've gotten it. So that's good. And then this is the very last item here in the box. And it's a men's Goodwill and Company. Just a gray polo. Kind of looks big, like maybe it got stretched out. I'm not real sure on that one. But there's the back. Just looks really wide and kind of short. Like somebody put it in the dryer too long. Size XXL. And it just says standard size. So maybe just one that's not meant to be tucked in, but it still looks kind of short. But either way, there you go. So that's everything out of this box. So I'm overall very pleased with this box. I think that's awesome to have so many new with tags items and to have some decent kind of bread and butter brands, if you will, to get up in our store and in our Poshmark closet. So hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you come back and check out some more videos. We've got a couple of more bulk boxes to unbox. We've got a thrift haul to go through with you. And you just never know what else might be coming in. So if you like this, again, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below, and we'll be happy to respond back to you. And we appreciate you guys for watching our videos, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks, guys.